Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Roy English Talk, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real-life stories. I'm Ava, and I am so happy to be with you today. Whether you're listening at home, on your way to work, or relaxing after a long day, thank you for spending your time with us.
And I'm Paul. I hope you're ready for a special episode because today we're talking about something that everyone in the world experiences. Mistakes. Funny mistakes, embarrassing mistakes, small mistakes, big mistakes. The things we all do and later we laugh about.
Yes, these moments are perfect for learning English because they help you remember vocabulary, real conversation patterns, and natural reactions.
And let me tell you, we have some great stories today. Coffee accidents, kitchen disasters, supermarket drama, and even some late friend situations. So sit back, relax, and enjoy learning English the fun way. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share your funny mistakes in the comments at the end.
Ready, Paul?
Always. Let's begin.
Let's start with mornings, because honestly, mornings are the #1 place for funny mistakes.
Oh yes, morning mistakes are my specialty. I think I collect them like stamps.
What happened this time?
Let me tell you the worst one. Last Tuesday, I woke up feeling very proud of myself. I opened my eyes before the alarm. I thought, wow, Paul, you are becoming an adult.
Congratulations, that's a big achievement.
Yes, I walked to the kitchen, half asleep, because my brain never wakes up before the alarm. I made coffee, I took the milk, I poured the milk, but something was wrong.
What happened?
The milk was frozen, completely frozen, like a rock.
Wait, how does milk become a rock?
I don't know. I must have put it in the freezer the night before. I don't remember why.
So you tried to pour frozen milk into your coffee?
Yes, the coffee cup was sitting there on the counter, and I turned the milk bottle upside down. Nothing came out, of course. I shook it. Still nothing. I hit it against my hand, and then boom, a giant chunk of frozen milk fell straight into my hot coffee.
Like an ice cube?
Yes, a big milky ice cube. The coffee spilled everywhere. It exploded like a volcano.
Oh no. So your morning coffee turned into an iced latte by force.
Exactly. My shirt was covered, the counter was covered, the floor was covered. I just stood there thinking, why? Why am I like this?
That is truly a morning full of mistakes.
And you had to clean everything before work.
Yes,
And you know when you're late, time moves 10 times faster?
always.
I cleaned fast, changed my shirt, grabbed my bag, and ran outside. Then halfway to the bus stop, I realized I forgot my phone.
Classic.
So I ran back home, grabbed the phone, ran out again, and when I reached the bus stop, the bus was leaving.
Of course. Buses have special powers. They know when you're late.
They wait for everyone except you.
So what did you do?
I walked fast. But here's the funny part. When I finally arrived at work, the office wasn't even open yet.
Your journey was dramatic for no reason.
Yes, I was sweating, tired, sad, confused, and the building was locked.
Why was it locked?
Because our manager overslept and forgot to bring the key.
So everyone was outside waiting?
Yes, 20 people, standing silently like statues.
Oh no.
And you know what my colleague said when I arrived?
What?
She said, "Wow, Paul, you're early today."
After everything?
Yes, I just said, "Thank you." I didn't tell anyone the story because I didn't want to relive the pain.
That is truly a morning full of mistakes. But listeners, the good news is these stories help you learn vocabulary such as oversleep, spill, frozen, chunk, bus stop, locked out, overslept, ran back, morning routine.
And they teach you that you're not alone. Other people have chaotic mornings too.
Very true. Workplace mistakes. Emails, meetings, technology, forgetting things. Now, let's talk about workplace mistakes. Because no matter where you work, something always goes wrong.
Oh, absolutely. Technology exists for one purpose: to embarrass us.
That is 100% correct. Let me tell you what happened at my office last month.
I'm ready.
We had an important online meeting with a new client. Everyone was serious. Everyone was professional. The manager was talking. Everything was perfect. And suddenly, we heard a loud noise.
What kind of noise?
Meow!
A cat?
Yes, a cat. A very dramatic, very emotional cat.
In the office?
No! It was someone's phone ringtone.
No way.
Yes, one of my coworkers has a ringtone of a cat crying. And of course, during the most important meeting of the month, the cat started singing.
I can imagine everyone freezing.
Yes, everyone stopped breathing. The manager was talking about professional communication, and at the same moment, meow, meow.
Oh no.
The client looked shocked, the manager looked angry, and the coworker was searching for his phone like he lost a baby. He finally found it and turned it off, but the silence after that was so long. I wanted to melt into the floor.
That is painful. Beautiful, but painful.
And of course, after the meeting, everyone laughed. But during the meeting, no one could move.
Workplace mistakes are one thing humans cannot escape. I once sent an email to the wrong person.
Oh, that is dangerous.
Very dangerous. I wanted to send a message to my friend at work saying, "This report is driving me crazy."
Okay.
But I sent it to my manager.
No.
Yes, and she replied, "Paul, I can help if you're struggling. Please come to my office."
Oh, no.
I felt my soul leave my body.
What did you do?
I went to her office, of course, and she was so kind, which made it worse. She was so kind and said, "If you need help with anything, let me know." And then she asked, "What is the problem?"
I learned a life lesson that day. Always check the name before sending an email.
Very important.
Kitchen and food mistakes are basically guaranteed. The kitchen.
Ah, yes, the place where dreams go to burn. Literally.
Exactly. Cooking looks so easy on YouTube. Just mix, stir, heat, and done. In real life, things explode.
Things burn, things fall, things overflow, smoke alarms scream.
Speaking of that, let me tell you about my cake disaster last year.
I am ready for this.
I wanted to surprise my family with a chocolate cake. I followed the recipe exactly. I measured everything. Flour, cocoa powder, eggs, butter. I was feeling very professional.
Yes, like a TV chef.
Exactly. I put the cake in the oven and waited. It smelled amazing. My whole apartment smelled like a chocolate dream.
So far, so good.
But then, I checked the time and realized something was wrong. It had been baking for only 5 minutes, and I smelled something burning.
Already?
Yes. I opened the oven and smoke came out like a volcano.
No.
I looked inside and my beautiful cake was everywhere. The batter had overflowed. It was on the bottom, on the sides, on the oven door.
How?
Because I forgot one tiny thing. The baking pan was too small. It tried to escape. It climbed out of the pan like it wanted freedom.
That is the most dramatic cake I've ever heard of.
And when I took the pan out, the bottom was completely black and smoking. My smoke alarm went crazy.
Beep, beep, beep. Warning. Bad baker.
Basically, yes. I opened all the windows. My neighbors thought I was burning down the building.
Did you eat the cake?
The middle part was okay, but my family laughed about it for months.
Kitchen mistakes are universal. Everyone has a story.
Do you have one?
Oh, yes, many. But my favorite one is the famous salt versus sugar mistake.
A classic.
One day, I decided to make tea. Simple, right? I put water in the pot, boiled it, added tea leaves, poured it into a cup, and then I added 1 big spoon of what I thought was sugar.
I see where this is going.
I took 1 sip and almost fainted.
Too salty.
Extremely salty. It was like drinking the ocean. I didn't understand at first. I thought, wow, this tea is terrible. Did the tea leaves go bad? Then I saw the container. It said salt in big letters.
Oh no.
Yes, I accidentally made salt tea. New recipe. Very unique.
Did you drink it?
Absolutely not. I threw it away and washed my tongue.
Now let's talk about mistakes in public places.
Oh, the most embarrassing kind. Because people watch you.
Exactly. For example, last week I went shopping. I grabbed a shopping cart and started walking. But the cart had personality.
Uh-oh.
One wheel was completely broken. It made a terrible sound. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
The famous supermarket song.
Yes, and it wasn't quiet. People were turning their heads like, what is happening?
Did you change the cart?
I should have, but I was already deep inside the store. So I just continued, hoping the wheel would magically fix itself. It did not.
It never does.
It got louder.
Oh no.
Every step was like a small concert. I tried to push it gently. Squeak, fast, squeak, sideways, squeak. Nothing worked.
The cart was screaming.
Exactly. And then I knocked into a giant pyramid of apples.
Not the apples.
Yes, the apples rolled everywhere, under shelves, under people's feet, like a fruit tsunami.
That is Olympic level embarrassment.
I spent 10 minutes chasing apples like a confused squirrel. And everyone was watching because, of course, people love watching someone else's disaster.
We all do.
Do you have a public mistake story?
Oh yes. I once waved at someone who wasn't actually waving at me.
No.
A woman lifted her hand and smiled. I smiled back. I waved like an excited puppy. Then I realized she was waving at the person behind me.
That is the worst feeling.
And the person behind me walked past, and I just stood there with my hand in the air like a confused robot.
Did she see you?
Oh, she definitely saw me. She looked at me with the, "I'm sorry, stranger, but that was not for you" face. I pretended to fix my hair to hide the embarrassment.
Friends, weekends, and social mistakes, especially with friends.
Ah, yes. Friend mistakes are extra funny because your friends never let you forget them.
Exactly. I have this one friend, let's call her Rena. She is always confused about time.
Oh, she's like my friend Dave.
Oh, what does Dave do?
Dave is allergic to being on time. If you tell him come at 3, he will show up at 5. One time we had a barbecue. Everyone arrived at 1 p.m. We grilled burgers, we ate, we laughed, and at 4 p.m., Dave called.
What did he say?
I'm leaving the house now. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Classic.
He arrived at 6 p.m.
6?
Yes. The food was gone, the fire was cold, people were packing up. Dave showed up like a guest star in the wrong episode. He ended up eating leftover chips.
Poor Dave.
But the funniest part, he said, "Why didn't you wait for me?"
Oh no.
He told him, "Dave, if I wait for you, the next barbecue will be in winter."
Wow, today was full of amazing stories, and we hope all of these helped you learn natural English expressions.
We talked about morning mistakes, work mistakes, kitchen disasters, supermarket drama, and funny friend moments.
And the best part, everyone has stories like these. You have stories like these. and sharing them is a great way to practice English.
So now it's your turn.
Yes, here is today's question of the day. What is a funny mistake you made recently?
It can be small or big. Maybe you spilled something, forgot something, burned something, or got embarrassed in public.
Write your answer in English in the comments. We read them and it helps you improve your fluency.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe, like the video, and share this podcast with your friends.
Thank you for spending your time with us. We hope you had fun and learned something new.
Remember, mistakes make great stories.
And great English practice.
Music fades in. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.